All right, 20 is enough for me. All right, y'all. So what I'm about to do is I'm about to do a half up, half down hairstyle. Okay, I never really done this style ever. I've always seen it on other people. I always thought it looked really cute, but I just never had this style before. But because I got a U-Part wig, I got my reusable ponytail, I said, why not? I'm gonna try that hairstyle and see how it looks. And hopefully I can have it for the next about 3 weeks or so. I'm hoping it'll last that long. But I'm gonna do this. So I said, let me get on camera and show Stamps TV Facebook page what it do. Okay, so I decided to go with the Glam Density U-Part Wig. Okay, don't laugh at my homegirl face. I know she crazy looking, but don't laugh at my homegirl. She's still slaying in her bundles. But I decided to go with the Glam Density one. I didn't want to use a really long wig. I just wanted something that's, you know, just, you know, to hear, you know, something cute. And I wanted to wear it bone straight. I was going to put some curls in it, but then I just said, you know what? I think bone straight would look really cute. So that's what I'm going to do. And then I'm going to put my my reusable ponytail. I'm ready to go. Got my little edges laid and stuff. I really don't do edges like that. But I did a little something today, just a little something, okay? So I braided up my hair and I put it in a wig cap, so I'm ready to go. My hair is washed, deep conditioned, braided up, and put underneath a wig cap, so I'm good to go. Okay, let's try to get started here. Okay. I ain't never did this before, y'all. I ain't never did no half up, half down style using weave in my life. Okay? I just never did. But I always thought it was cute. So today is my day, huh? Look at my hair all mangled up. Okay, so this is just going to be my leave out. Over the wig, okay? I'm just going to pin it out the way. Okay. This is available on the site right now. This is the Glam Density U-Part Wig, okay? It's 3 bundles on this wig, so it's really full. This is raw straight. But we also have virgin curly and virgin Bodywave. But, you know, I want it to go straight. Okay, and it'll be like that. Okay, let me go ahead and take this off first. Told y'all I did a little something, like a little, you know. I don't do baby hairs like that. It's not really my thing, but I respect it. I respect anybody who do it. Cool. Okay. And I will, probably off camera though, I'm going to sew this wig down just because I said I wanted it to last for, you know, 3 weeks. So 3 weeks straight, so I don't want it moving at all. I want to sleep in this wig. I don't want to take it off at all. I just want to have it on my head for about 3 weeks if I can. So that's what I'll do. And what you do with that is you just around the perimeter, all around the perimeter, you just sew it down. You just sew it to your anchor braids underneath your wig cap. You just sew them down, and then it won't budge. But if you don't mind, you know, taking your wig off, you don't ever have to sew down your wig. I just like sewing it down if I'm going to wear it for an extended amount of time and I'm going to be sleeping in it. Okay, so that's that part. And if you have any questions, you can put them in the comments. I always read the comments afterwards. So I'll get to your question if you have any. Okay, I'm going to just clean this up. I got this flat iron on 465 degrees. That is the highest setting on this flat iron. And yes, I like using my tools hot. Okay, I live in an area where there's a lot of water in the air. We live by a great lake. So I like to, definitely love to have my flat irons up high, because I'm in that area where you could go outside and your hair just poof up because of all the water in the air. Even though it's cold, it still can do that. But when you put them flat irons up to 450 or higher, that will definitely help you to not have poofy hair. That's the magic touch. So if you don't know, now you know. Turn them flat irons up. If your hair, if it just never, it reverts really quickly, that means you need to turn your flat irons up. Your hot tools are not hot enough. They're not breaking down those bonds in your hair. We have bonds in our hair, which makes up our curl pattern or our wave pattern, or if our hair is straight. And when we use our flat irons, they just break down those bonds and they make them straight. Okay, I'm going to go a little bit more. Okay. So last thing I need to do is put on my reusable ponytail. Available on stamp-tv.com. I've been rocking with this thing for the past month. Y'all done seen me do all of the reactions in my little ponytail. And I'm about to keep rocking it. Okay. Whew. All right. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take some of this spray. Don't look at the spray I'm using. I don't recommend this. I don't recommend this, but I'm doing it because I like this spray. This spray that I'm using is actually not hairspray. It's not. It's something else. It's this other. Oh, my bad, y'all. It's this other really awesome hairstylist that I look at, and she uses it on her clients, and I just really love it. But it's not really hairspray. It's lace front spray. I know that sounds really bad, but it is. And I haven't had any incidents with it, so I'm going to keep using it. And I really like its shine and the results and everything. So, but I don't want y'all to do it just because I'm doing it and then y'all be mad at me if, you know, something happens. So I'm not going to say, I ain't saying nothing. But of course, if you ask me, I'll tell you what it is. Sorry, my nose keep running. Okay. bands out of here. Get some of this residue out of here. This is really cute. And the coolest thing about this is that they're reusable pieces. Like, this is a reusable ponytail, and this is a reusable U-Part wig. Like, come on, like, that's so cool. Like, I can do this hairstyle again and again and again and again, as often as I want, as little as I want, in different styles, you know, because it's reusable. Like, how cool is that? A reusable ponytail. Love it. Love it. And then imagine some curls in this. Some long cascading curls. I just want it straight right now, but imagine that. This could be like a special event hair, birthday hair, Valentine's Day hair. Keep getting this little thing. Woo! It's so pretty. This is raw hair, you guys. I don't know why my eyes watering, my nose watering, something in the air. Oh my goodness. But whew. Valentine's Day is coming, y'all. I don't know if you want to look special on your day. I don't know. Oh, my bad. Burnt myself. I don't know if you want to look special in your day, or you got a date, you're going somewhere. You might get proposed to. Who knows? Your man might have a special little something set up for you, and you don't even know, honey. Who knows? So make sure your nails right. Make sure your hair right. Make sure that makeup is beat, because you don't know, honey. Alright, you guys. So this is it. This is the Glam Density U-Part Wig, available on stamp-tv.com, along with the Reusable Velcro Ponytail. Okay, both products that I'm wearing right now, these are raw hair products. What is raw hair? Raw hair is just hair that has been cut from one donor, and it has been sewed onto one welt, to a welt, and that creates a bundle. Okay, with raw hair, it has never been chemically processed and it has never been dyed. Okay, it is in its raw state, and it has never been steamed either. Okay, it is in its raw state. It comes from the donor onto the welt, onto your head. Okay, that is what true raw hair is. Now with virgin hair, that hair also comes from a donor, one donor. It's sewed onto a welt, but it has been steamed to get its curl or its wave pattern. Okay, it has been steamed, but it has never been chemically processed or dyed. Okay, that's what virgin hair is. And then the other hair that they don't tell you about is called Remy hair. Remy hair is hair that is taken from a salon floor. So it's just mixed up hair that's been cut off random people's heads. They take this hair, they sew it onto a, well, first off, they put it into a Remy machine. They take this hair, they put it into a Remy machine. A Remy machine aligns the cuticles, because on our hair, we have cuticles, and they go all in one direction, you know? But with this hair, it's been cut from different people. It's just been on the floor. It's all mixed up. So they just take it, they put it in a cuticle or a cuticle alignment machine, also known as a Remy machine, and it will realign the cuticles by 80%. It can't be 100% because it's just a machine. It can't do it 100%, but they can get it to align by up to 80%. Okay, and then they have to dye the hair because, you know, it's multiple donors, so it's a whole bunch of different colors, so they have to dye it. And most of the times they do put chemicals on it because it's different textures of hair, so they have to make it uniform. So that's what your Remy hair is, and that's the hair that manufacturers try to pretend is raw hair, it's virgin hair. They try to make you think that it is, but it really isn't. Okay, and y'all already know, I told y'all about the Brazilian hair, the Cambodian hair, the Malaysian hair, the Peruvian hair, all these different hair strands. They're not real, y'all. It's only two places you can get your hair. That's Asia and India. And Asia being China. They're the main producers, okay? The #1 beauty industry is in the world is in China, okay? You're getting Chinese hair, okay? And it's not even Malaysian Asian hair or Vietnamese Asian hair. It's just Chinese hair. Malaysia, Vietnam, all of these places are small places. They cannot mass produce bundles, but China can, because it's a billion people nation. It's a billion people over there in China. There's more than enough people who are growing and willing to give away their hair for, you know, payment. Okay, not these small little nations, you know. So just keep that in mind. You know, manufacturers, they like to put special names on it because they want it to be more inviting. You know, Brazilian. When you think of Brazilian women, you think of, you know, sexy bombshells, you know. So they just name it Brazilian because that's what's going to get people to come in and to tune in. You know, Chinese, they may feel, I guess they felt that that wasn't enough. You know, it wasn't exotic enough to bring people's attention in. Okay, so that's why they rename it Malaysian or Peruvian and all of these different names just to get you in, because it sounds exotic, it sounds good, but it's not honest. Okay, it's not honest. Now with Indian hair, that is real. You can really get real Indian hair because it comes from the temples. Those people, they cut off their hair to dedicate it to their gods, and then hair manufacturers will come in and buy the hair. They'll auction it off. They'll actually have an auction and auction the hair off to hair manufacturers. Okay, and then that's how it gets into your hands. Okay, so yeah, so that's raw, virgin, and dismantling the lies of, you know, Brazilian, Peruvian, Malaysian, all them other hair types. I'm trying to dismantle it. I think in the next 5 years, people will catch on. In the next 5 years, it's gonna take years. It's gonna take years. But in the next 5 years, I believe that everybody will know the truth and people will know how to really get some good hair, and hopefully stamps-tv.com will already be on top by then. For real. But yes, and if y'all just would know the difference between raw hair and these Remy hair bundles that they be selling, if y'all knew the difference, you will be on it like hot cakes. I'm telling you, you will be on it like hot cakes. I used to go to, I won't say their name, but I used to go to this one website and would get hair for like $100. A U-Part wig for $99. I was on it every time. But when I got my hair, some raw hair, it's no comparison. I would never, ever go back to cheap Remy hair again. Remy hair isn't terrible. It has its place. It really does. It has its place. But it's non-comparable to raw hair and virgin hair. It's not even comparable. And when you get your hands on some real raw or virgin hair, you will never ever want to go back to no cheap hair ever again. Like, not only does it look better, it's so much better to manage. You ever wash your wig and it gets tangly and you have to detangle it? That's not the case with raw hair. Raw hair doesn't really tangle. And I'm honestly saying that. It really doesn't tangle like that. Not anything not anything really tangly. Not at all. I'm telling the truth. That's because the cuticles are all in line. 100%. Like how it grew out the person's hair, that's the same exact way the cuticles are lined up when it comes to real raw and virgin hair. And that's why the hair doesn't tangle real bad. As much tangles as you would get, it will just be like how a person with straight hair, how much tangles their hair would get. But it doesn't get really tangled like in a ball, or like to the point where you have to use detangling products. Like, I never have to use detangling products on my wigs. No, because the cuticles are aligned. 100%, not by 80%, 100%. Okay? It's really an awesome investment, like seriously. I love wigs. You can literally just have new styles all the time. If I want to do 24 inches, I could have went 24 inches today. If I wanted to do Indian, I could have did the Indian hair today. I wanted to go with my Glam Density one. You know, it's everything. The ball is in your court when you get these units that are of great quality, you know? You feel me? Come on, y'all. Y'all need to invest in y'all selves. Invest in yourself. And with wigs, they're the best investments. I don't know what's going on in the beauty industry right now with the hairstylists. Shout out to the hairstylists. I love y'all. Y'all doing y'all thing. But oh my goodness, some of these prices don't make sense for what you getting. Why am I paying $185 for a silk press that could revert if I went outside and it's super humid? Like, come on, why would I do that? $185? That's crazy. Whew. And even for ponytails, it's $125 for a ponytail, a weave ponytail with $10.99 hair, $125. Right now, is people charging $125 for a weave ponytail. I wouldn't have made it. I wouldn't have made it as a 14-year-old kid. How am I save my money to get my weave ponytail and it's $125? I wouldn't have made it with these prices back in the day. But you know what? You know what is worth that much? Wigs, units. You know why? Because you can do them, you can wear them again and again and again. You can do them again and again and again. They're yours. They last more than a month. They last more than 2 months or 3 months, like a sew-in. They last years. It's no reason why your unit shouldn't last you 6 years or more. They're investment pieces, okay? I'm just preaching out here because y'all need to get on the bandwagon and stop throwing y'all money away on something that's only going to last you 2 weeks. That's crazy. It doesn't make any sense. Make it make sense. I know people out here, they want to pay their bills. Totally understand that. I understand that. You know, their hair is their business. I understand that. But some of these prices don't make no sense. So as for me, I'm investing in units. That's what I'm doing. So y'all can hop on the bandwagon, or you can continue to pay these crazy prices that these people be coming up with. But okay, y'all, I'm going to go ahead and get off of here. Once again, this is the Glam Density U-Part Wig. It has 3 bundles on it. Okay, so it's a very full, nice wig. And this is the Reusable Velcro Ponytail. It's made with raw hair. So the same hair that we use that is on our wigs is the same hair that we use on our ponytails. Okay, so super awesome quality. Check out stampstashtv.com. Click that hair and nail store tab. We also always have a in-store coupon on the website. It's at the very top of the page. You can't miss it. Enter that in your cart. It's going to take the money off of there. You're welcome. And then we have free shipping for U.S. citizens. Always free shipping and no tax. Because we fall under a certain bracket where it's no tax. Like legit. So that's super awesome. And if you're out of the country, we can service you too, boo. All orders $80 or more is free. Free shipping internationally, no matter where you at. We had somebody in South Korea, no matter where you at. And there's also a dollar converter on there, so you know you can convert the dollars from U.S. to whatever sort of money your money is named, so you can know exactly how much you're going to be paying. So we set. SnapchatTV.com ain't playing no games this year, okay? We never was, but we done did some fabulous things on SnapchatTV.com. Y'all need to go check it out. Okay, y'all. When I'm out, let me show y'all the back here and the sides. Like I said, this is the Glam Density U-Part Wig with the Velcro reusable ponytail. So I'm going to try to rock this for some time. I love the way it turned out. It's super cute. And the greatest thing about it is that I can do it again and again and not have to pay another dime. Holla at me. Alright, y'all. I'm out. Y'all have a blessed rest of the night. Stay safe.